Morning guys, I'm at a local reserve and it's an absolutely beautiful morning. It was cloudy when I first got here, and the area I'm photographing in is still slightly in the shade, but I've already got some fantastic footage of a great white egret, so it's a really good start. And there's lots going on, and the beauty of getting here early in the morning, it's a bit of a killer getting up at 5 a.m, but the fact of the matter is the wildlife is always more active in the morning, so I'm going to spend pretty much all morning here. There's loads going on. There's loads of swans over there. We've got cormorants flying in. As I say, great white egret, little egret, and I've only been here for about half an hour. I've got a cormorant just over there in absolutely beautiful light, so I'm going to keep on that and see if it takes off or starts fishing. It's looking really nice actually. Oh yeah, look at that. I reckon it's going to fly soon, so I'm going to keep on it. I might shoot a bit of video, but I'm shooting stills at the moment. Well, that's the cormorant's just taken off. I've got some lovely stills, I think. Hopefully they'll be sharp. And just over the back there, a heron's just dropped in. So it's all happening at the moment. I'm going to stick around here for a while. Once it's quieted down, I'm going to move on and look for some other stuff. I think there might be some yellow wagtails around, so I'm going to go and see if I can find those. But what a cracking morning so far. This is it's been so much wildlife going on, and as I say, early morning, it's just worth getting out early because there's more wildlife. But I'm going to keep an eye, because I think there's a heron right over the back behind those reeds there. So far, little egret, great egret, heron, some unidentified small wader I've got pictures of, and a great egret. So yeah, I'll speak to you soon guys. Cracking morning. I love being out early when the sun's shining. And hang on, that's the heron just coming. Just got a heron landing. Fantastic, what a great morning. I think this small wader is a green sandpiper, but waders can be quite tricky to identify sometimes, so if you can let me know in the comments section below what you think it is, that would be great. I'd much appreciate your input. So yeah, thanks in advance guys. The great white egret's back, and I've also got a heron as well, so I'm going to stay on the egret because I haven't got so much footage as egrets as I have as herons. The light's quite bright now, and it's a white bird, so I'm having to be very careful with the exposure, but it's absolutely superb. I'm loving this. This is, what a morning. What an absolutely brilliant morning this is. Oh, it's fantastic. I'm shooting slow motion footage at the moment, although the egret's not moving that quickly anyway, so I could shoot normal speed, but it's really, really good. Yeah, it's fantastic. I mean, it's hard to know what to focus on because the heron got the heron. heron's chasing off the egret. That's crazy. And it's a shame. If I'd have had my zoom lens on, I would have got them both in the frame. But that was a bit of nice footage there. So what a fantastic morning this is. We've had mallards chasing each other, male mallards chasing the females, and as I say, I've had herons coming back in again, which is great. Just gone behind the trees now. So great white heron chasing that egret. I think I've got a little bit of footage where they're both in the frame, but only just because I'm on my 600 here, and I can't zoom out with a prime lens. Fantastic though. Right guys, I've got 3 or 4 skylarks in the field in front of me. Now they're quite a distance away because I'm on my 600mm with a 1.4 converter, so that gives me 840mm full frame focal length. So that means I can speak to the camera and not spook them, but they're just over there and I've got lots of shots of them already, so I think I can probably relax and just round up this video. So the light's getting quite harsh now, so I'm going to call it a wrap soon, but it's been great. Yeah, little egrets, great egrets, herons, shovelers, skylarks. I've also got a few distant pictures of yellow wagtails. I will come back and try them again, but it's been absolutely great morning's photography. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed it, if you can give it a thumbs up, a like, that would be brilliant. That always helps my channel. And if you haven't already subscribed and you've liked this video, or you've watched any of my previous videos and you've liked them, if you haven't already subscribed, if you can consider subscribing, that would be brilliant. More the merrier. So thanks very much for watching, and I'll speak to you on my next video. Bye for now guys.